Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Jack's Gambling Channel Analytics. They have uploaded 591 videos. They now have 40.5k subscribers with a total view of 19,205,872 views. They are from Malta. They created their channel since October 28, 2016. The grade they got is B. They ranked at 41st in Malta. Next, the daily subs for Jack is around 44 with a daily view of 26,500. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 26,500. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $106. Then, monthly income will be $3,180. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $1,749 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $20,988. That is how much Jack's Gambling makes from YouTube.